Hello everyone. What you're going to learn in this video has been checked and approved by expert mechanics here in the shop, so relax. This can be fixed. If your Ford throws the message, "Charging system, service now," the first thing to do is take a deep breath. It doesn't mean your car is about to die on the highway or that something exploded under the hood. It's more like the car saying, "Hey, I'm having trouble keeping the charge. Take a look before it gets worse." The first thing mechanics check, and what most people report in forums, is the battery. Yes, that piece we sometimes ignore until the car won't start. A weak old battery or one with dirty terminals can confuse the computer and trigger this warning. Many mechanics have solved the problem simply by replacing the battery or tightening the terminals. So before thinking about expensive parts, check the battery first. If the battery is fine, the next suspect is the alternator. This is what charges the battery while you're driving. If it fails or doesn't deliver the correct voltage, the system gets nervous and lights up the warning. Some people at the shop noticed symptoms like flickering lights, a dimming dashboard, or voltage fluctuations before the warning appeared. In these cases, checking the voltage with the engine running can give you a clue. It should be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Now, not everything is the battery or alternator's fault. Many mechanics have found damaged or corroded wires near the alternator or in the battery harness. Yep, sometimes a single bare wire can trick the system into thinking something is wrong. Inspecting the connectors, making sure they're not loose or corroded, and cleaning any buildup can make the light disappear immediately. There are also cases where the light comes and goes like magic. This is usually a temporary electronic glitch. It can happen after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or even from strong vibrations while driving. Some mechanics recommend disconnecting the battery for a few minutes or using a professional scanner to reset the system and clear these ghost errors. And keep in mind, in rarer cases, the cause can be software or PCM communication issues. Some Fords need a software update or recalibration at the dealer, so all the systems speak the same language again. While this isn't the most common cause, the good news is it's usually checked after ruling out battery, alternator, and wiring, so don't worry about running straight to expensive repairs.